Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what we consider the best high-waist compression yoga leggings currently available on the market. The ODODOS Tummy Control Compression Leggings for Women. If you're searching for the perfect pair of leggings that combine performance, comfort, and style, then you're in for a treat. These ODODOS leggings are making waves, and not without reason. Let's walk through everything you need to know before you grab a pair. First off, let's talk about the design. These leggings feature a high-waisted silhouette that isn't just flattering, it's functional. The wide waistband provides tummy control that hugs your body in all the right places. Whether you're stretching through a deep yoga pose or powering through a run, these leggings stay in place, giving you the freedom to move without constantly pulling at your waistband. Now, ODODOS gives you two inseam options, 25 inches and 28 inches. So whether you prefer a cropped fit or a full-length look, you can tailor the leggings to suit your height and style. That kind of personalization is something we love to see in activewear. Ultra stretchy and non-see-through. You're getting full coverage, even when bending or squatting. And yes, we tested it. The material is a high-performance blend designed to be both moisture-wicking and breathable. That means no overheating during intense sessions and a fresh feel even after a long workout. It's got a smooth, almost buttery texture that feels luxurious without compromising on durability. These leggings are also designed with flat lock construction. That's a fancy way of saying the seams are engineered to reduce chafing and irritation. So even after an hour-long hot yoga class or a high-mileage run, your skin stays happy. One standout feature is how versatile these leggings are. They transition seamlessly from gym to street. Pair them with a sports bra and sneakers for your training session, then toss on a hoodie or oversized tee, and you're brunch ready. The sleek, minimalist design comes in a wide variety of colors, so it's easy to match with your existing wardrobe. From classic black to seasonal shades, ODODOS has you covered. Washing them is a breeze too. Toss them in the machine on cold, and they come out looking just as good as new. No pilling, no fading, no shrinking. That's a big plus for anyone tired of leggings that lose shape after 2 washes. And let's not forget, ODODOS backs this product with a 100% full money-back guarantee. That speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality of these leggings. Whether you're a dedicated yogi, an everyday runner, a gym enthusiast, or just someone who wants comfort and compression while running errands, these leggings deliver. They provide support without feeling restrictive, which is the sweet spot most activewear fails to hit. To sum it up, the ODODOS Tummy Control Compression Leggings check every box. Comfort, performance, durability, style, and affordability. They're not just leggings, they're an upgrade to your activewear wardrobe. That wraps up today's product critique. If you've tried the ODODOS leggings or have any questions about fit and performance, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next video.